In 2 minutes, you will learn how to add this like button in your videos. We will be using Wondershare Filmora and Adobe Premiere Pro. And I will also show you how to do it in other video editing softwares. Starting off with Filmora. Place your video clip to the timeline. I added a download link in the description below. Download and extract it. There are 2 video templates. An MP4 green screen and a transparent MOV files. Import the green screen template to Filmora. Same procedure can be applied in other editors with chroma key effects. Bring the footage on top of your main video. Right-click and click on green screen. Adjust the offset a little bit. Resize and position the template to suit your preference. Now, in Premiere Pro, drag and add the MOV file on top of the main video. Set the frame size to match the main video template. You can do that by right-clicking on it to scale frame size. Make sure the template is selected and go to Effects Control. You can find that under the Window menu. Here, you can have control to the position and size of the like button. When done, render it for a smooth play. That's all. Check out the videos on screen now.